What's up guys, Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Right now I'm in Los Angeles. Finally came to the West Coast. I was actually in San Francisco for about 3 days or 4 days I believe. And had a good time. Got to film a bunch of cool stuff. But working on editing all that takes a lot of time to make sure everything looks good. But stay tuned to the end of this video. We're doing 2 iPhone X giveaways. So make sure you stay tuned for that and you will see how to be entered. So we're here, we got the BMW M4. This thing's super clean. The best thing about this, the convertible. I was actually looking at M4s before I bought my Porsche, and this thing is sick. If you unlock it, we'll see red interior in there, carbon fiber accents in there. And this is actually a 2018, right?
Yep.
About 7,000 miles on here, so I mean, they're renting it out. It's a good car, and for some reason, came with the truck with this house. So don't have the keys or anything like that. But let's go ahead and get in the house. I'm gonna show you guys. I mean, we're in a weird area. Like, look right there. There's a little elementary school. Security door.
Security door.
So this is when you first walk in. Wood floors. Well, fake wood. I don't know. Looks sort of cool. And this house isn't that big, but it's pretty modern. We actually looked it up on Zillow, the address, and about a year ago, this house sold for $1.1 million, and this house is probably like less than 2,000 square feet. What do you think, Ben?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's not that big, and it looks super trashy on the Zillow, but I mean, it looks nice. They remodeled it. They probably put like 50 grand or less into it. They got the beams and all that. They made it look really, really nice. And come over here towards the kitchen area. We got our computers. We sit here, grind, Facebook ads, drop shipping, branding, all this stuff. We're just having fun, chilling. We went to the grocery store yesterday, and ended up buying a bunch of coconuts. No, this is not any kind of alcoholic drink. This is just lemonade. I just like drinking out of a wine glass. And coconuts, they're all right. Not worth $3 a piece. Make sure you spend your money on good stuff and not stupid stuff. I mean, it's all relevant how much you make. We're stocked up nice and good for the week.
We're stocked up with coconuts.
Coconuts, water, watermelon, guacamole.
Oh yeah.
And
monster.
Elephant balls. Whatever this is. I don't know what it is. Bet bought these. He's like eating them in the grocery store. So nasty, probably. Big flat screen TV. This is Brian Ferrari's best. I don't know if you guys know him. He has an insurance agency. He does social media marketing. Super cool guy. So let's just go ahead first. I'll show you my room before we show the backyard. The backyard's the best part of the house. I have French bulldogs on my bed sheets. That's funny. I actually have a French bulldog, Gibby. You guys probably know him. I was going to take a shower this morning. I woke up and I walk in here and I look at this. I'm like, how do I get in there? And it's just this giant ledge. So I go up here. I'm like, well, I don't want to get in there and then turn the water on because it'll be cold. So then what I did, I stepped up here, all the way up here, had to walk on this edge, all the way to the end, turn on the water, wait for it to be like a good temperature, and then step in here without slipping and falling. This is pretty high. There's no way some like older person could get in here, and especially if they get up here, no way they're getting down either because it's slippery when it's wet.
No way.
Yeah. So that's it for this. Let's go ahead to the other room. TV. Guys, one thing, I don't know about you guys, I haven't watched TV in probably like a year or more. Never TV, any movies really. I mean, I watch a lot of YouTube, but not really any TV. This is my boy Ben. He's big with ATM business, drop shipping. He's actually in my course. That's how I met him, just through, he was in my course. And
I'm Tanner's student.
Yeah.
And now we're here. Now,
that's so funny. We're here for like a few days. This guy brought all of these clothes. He's like unpacking it into clothes and stuff.
We were about to buy some Gucci yesterday, but
we decided giveaway's more important.
Giveaway.
Oh, you got the French Bulldog bed sheets too?
Yeah. We got some dope paintings, so when I wake up, I know.
You can see the motivational quote pictures without the motivational quote.
You can think of your own. And
yeah, you just wake up and think of your own. The road may end, but your dreams may live.
That's it.
That was a good one.
That should be for this one. That should be for this one.
Oh yeah, wait, this one, the road never ends, but yeah, scratch that.
Scratch that.
All right, now the best part. I'm gonna hand it back over to Ben, but let's go out here. Wake up, read your motivational quote. You got your door here. No door handle though. What you have to do actually is you put your finger in here, 2 fingers, 1 on top. No, I'm just kidding. Pull that out. I mean, really inconvenient, but
you gotta do what
another
you gotta
security door. You may think we're in the ghetto. I mean, we're right off of Melrose. It's not bad.
Yeah, Melrose.
We're next to Hollywood Boulevard, Sunset, all that stuff. This is a backyard. Pull-up bar. They put this thing on wrong somehow. I don't know how. But I mean, it does the job. do some pull-ups real quick for Graham. Washing machine, drying machine. I've never seen these outside before, anywhere I've ever traveled. And we come out here, we got turf. We have our own gym in our backyard.
Yep.
So we got dumbbells, we got a scale. If you want to know how much you weigh, you come out in the morning, you're like, you know, I haven't eaten anything. I just weigh myself up 300 pounds.
300 pounds.
You got your rusty dumbbells. I would recommend not touching these, especially in the heat. They are very hot. Oh, it shocks me. Everything I touch shocks me here.
That's it.
We have our bench press here, rusty again, punching bag. This is our second house over here. This is actually the yard that connects both of our houses here in Los Angeles. So we got a nice stairwell up here. And this is all you get. This little balcony right here where you can see our house. Look at the top, you see like industrial AC unit. But this house, I guess they're just remodeling it over here. Marble floors. Should be nice. It's sort of weird it connects like this, but whatever. Oh, I guess it's the same way on this house too.
Oh, that was also supposed to be part of our house, but they blocked it off.
Yeah, we didn't pay for that.
Yeah.
That's gonna be it for this house tour. Now let's actually head to the mall. We're gonna take the M4. We're gonna go in the parking garage and we're gonna go buy some iPhones for you guys. So me and Bet are actually going to get iPhones and give them away. And you'll see on my Instagram at Tanner with 2 R's at the end. We're gonna be doing giveaways. You'll see it on his Instagram. I'll give you guys more details once we get there. So now let's get in the car and head to the mall. My name's Tanner, I get tan. Really weird coincidence, but Bet over here is getting burnt all over, bro. So I will see you guys when we get to the Beverly Center at the Apple Store. Alright guys, we're now at the Beverly Center, Beverly Hills Center, whatever this place is in Los Angeles. Pretty big mall. We actually came here last night. We were shopping like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and I decided, you know, why would I spend a few $1,000s on this stuff that is just name brand when I could buy something for you guys, give back. You guys watch my videos, you guys support me. So that's what we're doing. Gonna go buy some iPhones and drop $2 grand for you guys. And we'll have more details later on. So now let's go ahead, walk into the Apple Store. See you guys there.
So you want 2 of them?
Yep.
One space gray and one silver?
Yep. Just left the Apple Store. They didn't want me to record in there, so we didn't. But I got the iPhones, $2,500 debit card. That's paid off, baby. 2 iPhones. 256 gigs for you guys. We got space gray and a silver one in here for you guys. Gonna be giving those away. And more details soon to come. There they are right there. We took some pictures for the Instagram. So if you wanna know how you can be entered to win these 2 iPhones, brand new, unlocked, you know, they have the 1-year warranty, 256 gigs, you know, the best iPhone X you can get, fully upgraded, whatever. I mean, there's not many options you can upgrade to. But there they are, and if you wanna know how to be entered, check my Instagram right now, at Tanner with 2 R's, and the instructions will be on my recent post and Bet's post right there. I'll put his Instagram right here.
BETIM CEO.
Giving away 2 iPhones. Just check out the post. The instructions will be there below. I know I'm sweaty. We're in Los Angeles, really hot in this parking garage. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We're just here in Los Angeles. We're actually gonna be making some business videos, so stay tuned for that. Just wanna make this giveaway video, and I will see you guys later. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.